This event makes number 10 on our list of top 10 weather events of 2021, the Rockies blizzard and South severe outbreak. Friday, March 13th, Colorado Rockies. A developing winter storm began to unleash heavy mountain snow as it pressed toward the plains. Conditions quickly deteriorated Saturday and Sunday, with wind gusts up to 70 miles per hour and whiteout conditions. In Wyoming, snowfall rates reached 2 to 3 inches per hour. CASPER received 14 inches of snow in just 6 hours. Cheyenne had 10 inches in 5 hours.
We got blizzard conditions out here this morning, and I'm in snow that is knee-deep.
Miles and miles of Interstates 80 and 25 were shut down, desolate with snow drifts. Up to 52 inches of snow fell across the state.
The snow is blowing, the winds are picking up too, so it's causing some visibility issues out here, but even the roads, just look at the difference. You can notice all the slushy conditions.
In Colorado, Denver was blanketed with its 4th biggest snow on record, totaling 27.1 inches. More than 2,000 flights were canceled at Denver International Airport. Interstate 70 and 25 closed. As much as 48 inches of snow dropped in parts of Colorado.
It's warmer now, the sun shines out, but the sunshine's not exactly what you want to see in a severe weather situation like this.
Then, as the sprawling system sank southward, it spawned a 3-day severe weather outbreak. From March 16th to the 18th, tornadoes touched down in 10 states, with more than 300 total reports of severe weather, peaking on St. Patrick's Day. A rare high risk of severe weather was issued for the Southeast on the 17th. Forecasters warned of particularly dangerous situations, or PDS for short, in their tornado alerts. At least 50 reports of tornadoes spanned 7 states that day alone. 25 tornadoes were confirmed in Alabama, the longest on the ground for 36.5 miles.
Holy cow, there it is right there! That's a tornado!
During the 3-day severe stretch, there were 7 injuries and remarkably no fatalities. For the complete list of top 10 weather events of 2021, go to weathernationtv.com. For Weather Nation, I'm meteorologist Steve Glazier.